लो कैलोरी डाइट आपका वजन कम करने में भी सहायक होती है। हमारी डाइट एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर सची सोहल हमें बताएंगी कि लो कैलोरी डाइट में क्या-क्या खाना चाहिए।
A low calorie diet is a diet which ranges in between 1000 to 1200 calories, but it should be kept in mind that a low calorie diet should be adequately balanced in terms of nutrition. It should be a nutritionally well balanced diet, not low in calorie and low in vitamins and minerals too, because it can cause a lot of deficiencies. Generally, people do follow low calorie diets for weight reduction, and they go on a drastic weight loss program, which is not healthy and not recommended, because it can cause a lot of malnourishment, unhealthy skin, hair loss and other deficiency diseases which could occur. A low calorie diet should be adequate in terms of calories and proteins, giving more of nutrient dense food. For example, if a person is on a low calorie diet, he should have low calorie beverages like coconut water, fresh juices without any added sugar, and he can have herbal tea and other things. Instead of taking high calorie beverages like mango shakes, banana shakes, ice cream shakes, which generally people do take. Low calorie snacks, as in one can take more of sprouts, boiled chana chaat, roasted corns, roasted makhanas can be a part of a low calorie diet. And low calorie fruits and vegetables should also be used. Fruits such as papayas, apples, kiwi and oranges can be taken instead of taking high calorie fruits such as bananas, mangoes, lychee, grapes, sapota. So these should be replaced with low calorie fruits such as apples and kiwi and oranges and melons, which contain more of fiber and more of water. Instead of increasing the calories, these form a major portion of water and fiber, also be included in a low calorie diet.
डाइट पे अधिक जानकारी के लिए लॉग ऑन करें onlymyhealth.com।